Hi students. So the last part of graphing skills, okay, of this graph lesson is to just tell you more about best fit lines or curves. Alright, so just now what I spoke about best fit lines is that a best fit line does not serve to cut through as many points as possible. It is basically a line that divides the points evenly on either the top or rather above the line or below the line. Right, so I'm just going to give you an example of what a best fit line looks like. So if I have like 5 points, right, if I just give an example of some points. Alright, so I have 5 points here. Okay, an example of a best fit line will look something like this. Alright, okay, you see that there are 2 points on top, okay, which is this is pretty near, okay, and 3 points on above. Okay, now let's go for another example. Right, this is an example of a best fit line, okay, where I have 3 points falling very close to the line and one on top, one above. So basically, a best fit line will want to even out the points. Alright, now when you get back your practical workbook next term, there will be a lot of examples for you to look through. Okay, then you will work from there. Okay, and I will also go through with you your lines and graphs, okay, when we start practical. Okay, so let me move on to maybe just one last part on best fit, or rather the last two parts on best fit line and curve. Okay, so one negative example of best fit line may look something like this. Okay, so this one example of a negative best fit line. Okay, where I have 1, 2, 3, 4 lines, 4 points below the line and only 1 point above the line. Okay, so this is not even, and it's definitely not a good best fit line. Okay, so we will avoid this kind of lines as much as possible. Right, for best fit curve, it is the same thing. A best fit curve, you want to divide the points evenly on both sides, right? And you might want to use a curve ruler to help you draw this, but in this case, I'll use my free hand. Right, so you see that, all right, the points are pretty much even out. Okay, I have 1 point below and about 2 points above, or rather 2 points below, 2 points above. The rest are all on the curve. All right, so this is a positive example. Let me show you a negative example. Okay, right, so you see that, hey, I have 4 points on the line and 1 point out. Now it may look like a very nice graph to you, but actually it is not. Okay, because we have 1 point that's so out of the line. Okay, so probably there's something that you need to do. Oh, sorry, let me draw again. Okay, maybe there's something that you need to do like this. Right, this is a better best fit curve compared to the first curve, because what happened in the first curve was that we totally ignored this point, which is not good. Alright, of course, like what we said just now, for a curve we need to have at least 7 points. Alright, so this is a negative example. please remember that you need to have at least 7 points. Okay, so I hope I've already driven my point across to you that a best fit curve or line aims to even out the points. Okay, it is not to make sure that most of the points fall on the line. Alright, so I hope you're able to use these 3 videos to help you plot the 3 graphs in your worksheet. Okay, thank you.